too old, they say as they walk past his cage. Rusty is 14, with a gray muzzle and cloudy eyes. He struggles to stand up on the slick concrete floor to greet them. He watches the puppies in the next run get adopted within hours. He remembers when he was a puppy, loved and held. Now he is just a number on a list, waiting for a mercy that looks like a needle. He rests his head on his paws, dreaming of a soft rug one last time before the end. Seniors have the most love to give. Like and subscribe to save a senior dog.